Tired of just letting your spare change sit around doing nothing? Let's dive headfirst into Acorns versus Wealthfront to see which investment app reigns supreme for you. First up, Acorns. Its biggest draw, roundups. Every purchase you make is rounded up to the nearest dollar, and that extra change is invested. Think of it like passively saving without even realizing it. Tap Settings, then Roundups, and link your cards and bank accounts. Select the multiple of your roundup, then make purchases as normal. Acorns automatically invests the spare change once you hit at least $5. Now, Wealthfront enters the arena. This app takes a more traditional approach, acting as a robo-advisor. Answer a few questions about your risk tolerance and financial goals, and Wealthfront builds a diversified portfolio for you. Look for the Get Started button. From there, answer the prompts honestly. This will allow Wealthfront to determine your risk tolerance and build a portfolio that is customized for you. So, what are the key differences? Acorns shines with its effortless roundup feature, perfect for beginners or those who want to invest passively. Wealthfront, on the other hand, offers more sophisticated portfolio management with features like tax loss harvesting, ideal for those with larger investment amounts and a desire for optimized returns. Let's talk costs. Acorns pricing starts at $3 a month, while Wealthfront charges a 0.25% advisory fee. But note, Acorns fees stay the same no matter how much you invest, while Wealthfront's grow with your portfolio. Consider Acorns if you want to get started with little to no money, or Wealthfront if you have a sizable investment and want more sophisticated management. Ultimately, the best app depends on your individual needs and investment style. Acorns for the easy, passive start, Wealthfront for the more hands-off, actively managed approach. Do your research and choose the one that aligns best with your financial goals. Happy investing.